Hey, I want to show you how Dondy WhatsApp marketing and AI work. So first, it's built inside the Shopify admin, and it's fully integrated with Shopify. And then you have four main things you can do. And first is add WhatsApp button to your site. We really recommend it's improve the conversion. People coming and ask more questions, then you can convert them. And even if they're coming back after a few hours and you can send them a message, they see the message on the gym, then they continue buying. And second, you have the automations. You can set up any automation that you want, abandoned checkouts, order confirmation, order upsells. You can set up any integration with Shopify Flow, with Klaviyo, with Yotpo, with JudgeMe, with Flux for cross sales, for any automation that you think. And this is work very great for revenue. And you can see all the statistic, read, delivery rate, orders, revenue. And then there is the marketing campaigns. You can choose any segment that you want from Shopify segments and send them like Black Friday offer or any other new collection that you have. Also very high open rate, very good ROAS. Then we have the AI agents. You can give them guidelines for sales and for support. We have the FAQ. He learn from it. It can be 24 hours, unlimited language, very good help for customer support to solve 80% of the tickets. Then because it's WhatsApp, so you want to see the conversation with the customers and help and use it also for support. You have this support platform where you can see the customer details. You can go inside these customer details in Shopify. The AI know all of this data and can sell this customer, can do support, tell him where is the order, send him links, and you can always join the conversation and help the customer and help the AI. So this is about Dondy. Every brand that start work with us see a very good ROI. It can be from 10% to 15%, and I mean in monthly revenue. So good luck, and if you have any questions, please reach us, and we would love to set up a call to help you set up Dondy, a WhatsApp marketing solution.